Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. You'll need all-purpose flour, water, a pinch of salt, and some cooking oil. Don't forget to prepare a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped nozzle. This is key for that classic churro shape. It's an incredibly easy method. Now, let's create the dough. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil with 2 tablespoons of oil and a small pinch of salt. Once boiling, quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until a thick, smooth dough ball forms. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes before transferring it to your piping bag. It's time to fry. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch long churros directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Remember not to overcrowd the pan, as this ensures even cooking. Once fried, immediately transfer your churros to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously toss them in a delightful mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This sweet coating is absolutely essential. Serve your perfectly golden, crispy churros with a rich chocolate dipping sauce, or simply enjoy them plain. They are a wonderful treat for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.